So students, continuing our lecture, we have studied last time about the careers in which we have discussed biotechnology کہ لیٹسٹ فیلڈ ہے ہمارے پاس. اس کے علاوہ کس طرح سے ہم مائکروبس کو, یا اگر ہم سمپلی یہ بھی کہہ سکتے ہیں کہ کس طرح سے ہم لیونگ میٹر کو لیونگ میٹر کے بینیفٹ کے لیے, فائدے کے لیے یوز کر سکتے ہیں. اس کے بعد آپ کو ہمارے پاس جو نیکسٹ ٹاپک ہے قرآن اینڈ بایولوجی کہ وٹ قرآن سیز اباؤٹ دا لائف. یہاں پہ ہمارے پاس کچھ آیتس ہیں, ان کے ترجمے ساتھ لکھے ہوئے ہیں. اس کو اسٹوڈنٹس آپ لوگوں نے جسٹ ایک دفعہ تھورو ریڈ دینا ہے تاکہ آپ لوگوں کو کلیئر ہو جائے کہ قرآن نے لائف کے بارے میں یا لیونگ میٹر کے بارے میں کیا کیا فرمایا ہے. موونگ ٹورڈز آور نیکسٹ ٹاپک مسلم سائنٹسٹ. بایولوجی کی فیلڈ میں, سائنس کی اس برانچ میں کون کون سے مسلم سائنٹسٹ نے کیا کیا کام کیے ہیں. تو مسلم سائنٹسٹ ہیو میڈ گریٹ کنٹریبیوشن ٹو دا اسٹڈی آف سائنس اینڈ وی آر اویئر آف دی سکسیس ان ڈفرنٹ فیلڈز آف سائنس. ایز یو آل نو کہ مسلم سائنٹسٹ ہیو کنٹریبیوٹیڈ اے لاٹ اینڈ گیون their output 100%. Here we should summarize the work of Jabir bin Hayyan. Here we are going to discuss Jabir bin Hayyan, Abdul Malik Asma'i, Abu Ali Sina. So moving towards Jabir bin Hayyan, born in Iran and practiced medicines in Iraq. He introduced the experimental investigation in chemistry and also wrote a number of books on plants and animals. Jabir bin Hayyan has contributed a lot towards the plants and animals. He also works for the medicine. His famous books are Al-Nabatat and Al-Haywan. These are the major books written by Jabir bin Hayyan. Abdul Malik Asma'i is also considered the first Muslim scientist who studied animals in detail. His famous writings, his books includes Al-Abil, Al-Khayl, Al-Wahush and Khalaq al-Insan. These are the famous books of Abdul Malik Asma'i. He also worked deeply on animals. Abu Ali Sina is also honored as the founder of medicine and called as Avicenna in the West. He was a physician, philosopher, astronomer and a poet also. His books Al-Qanun fi Al-Tib is also known as Canon of Medicine in the West. Now Abu Ali Sina in short worked a lot in the field of medicine, but he was also a good physician, philosopher and astronomer as well. Students, it's all for today. Now I am going to tell you that what you have to learn from today's lecture. If we come towards the careers in biology, it's not necessary to go through each of the line, but simply you should be able to know the fields, the careers, which includes medicine, fisheries, agriculture, animal husbandry, horticulture. Just you have to learn is definition, what it includes, what does it mean, and a simple example. If we are talking about medicine, you have to mention that it includes surgery, transplantation and diagnosis, or you can simply give an example of diagnosis or treatment. About fisheries, you also should know about the definition along with the example. Plus last line that this degree can be offered after the higher education or secondary education. It's not necessary to be learned in this page. Moving onwards, the Quran and biology, just you can know or you just read that topic. Coming on Muslim scientists and their contributions, it's important that you learn the whole topic as it is. You can know about the books, about the field in which the scientists contribute. You have to learn these three. That's all from my side for today's class. Students, I hope so you will understand and will be able to learn it. Thanks for listening and Allah Hafiz till next class.